So here's Fantasy Hike app, activity tracker walking game. This app is becoming one of the most popular walking tracker. And why is that? Because it adds some fantasy element and it makes your walking tracking not that boring. It's a beautiful walking tracker for fantasy nerds and everyone that loves adventure. Start your quest today. All steps you take will let you halfling avatar progress through a beautiful fantasy adventure from your comfy halfling all the way to Mount Fire. So yeah, if you like Lord of the Rings, if you like Tolkien, then you can just select this scenario and see how you progress towards that. Fantasy hike to Mount Fire, and then you can just see all the different achievements, your progress, track your digital walking stats. So yeah, if you just open it up, this is how the app looks like. So you can just see how many kilometers you went through. So here you can see like all your progress from day one, like you just started from like your hole and then you just going through to Mount Fire, and then here you are, like that. So it's pretty cool animation that what takes it. And then here you can just see how many kilometers left to Mount Fire, so when you started and estimated arrival on which day and which month. Okay, so you can see it can take like 6 years to get, but yeah, here you can just see all the distance, how many, what's your progress during the days, what's your daily average, late mornings, allowances, all of these things. And then you can just add a challenger here, so either fast challenger or slow or non-challenger. So you can then see what's the challenger progress. Then you can see the achievements. The quest has started, so here you can see. And then yeah, then you can metric units, you can select notifications if you wanna some achievements. So yeah, it's quite entertaining. You can also end quest in the bottom right if you want it, and then if you want to upgrade, you can just do one time lifetime purchase, and it costs like $3.99, like $4, and it unlocks unlimited walking distance per day. Because seems that that with the free account you can only walk 1500 meters per day, so that's why there is a limitation here, and then it will take too long. So then yeah, you just nudge to upgrade here. But yeah, that's pretty cool idea. Unfortunately, you can only select this kind of quest. It would be really cool if you could select, you know, some other animations and, you know, add some like cool other routes. Like, you know, there are many other scenarios where you need to walk, like, you know, there is this walking route on the like north of Spain, for example, or just like, you know, in South America. So like famous hiking tracks. And if it would be cool if in this app you can also add those, like you can just add not only like the Lord of the Rings stuff, but also some other ones. But at the moment this is only this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can get this app, it's for free, but then yeah, if you're walking more than 1500 meters per day, then it kind of becomes quite unusable until you upgrade. But yeah, pretty cool app. I don't know when it's coming for Android, or is it on Android? Seems it's not, but definitely give it a try.